Congratulations! You finally did it! You landed that $70,000 a year job. Your parents are proud, your LinkedIn is updated, and you're officially a success. But wait, why is your bank account still screaming for help on a Tuesday? Here's the dirty little secret your HR department skipped in the orientation. You don't actually make $70K, not even close. By the time we finish this audit, you might realize you're working for the same hourly rate as a teenager flipping burgers, and they get free fries. You don't.
I'm just doing the math, and the math is ugly. First, let's talk about shadow labor. Your contract says 40 hours a week. That's a lie. Do you get paid to sit in traffic on the I-95 listening to a true crime podcast? No? Then why are you doing it? If you spend an hour commuting each way, that's 10 hours a week dedicated to your job. That's 520 hours a year, or as I like to call it, the unpaid internship from hell. You aren't driving to work, you're paying a subscription fee just to access your office. If your boss asked you to work an extra 60 days a year for $0, you'd call a lawyer. But when you do it in your Honda Civic, you call it the morning drive.
Now, let's get into the burnout tax. Ever wonder why you're too tired to cook at 6 p.m. so you spend $30 on delivery? That's not a treat, that's an expense of your job. High-stress jobs make for expensive nights. Your job drains your decision battery so dry that by the time you clock out, you're a zombie. Oh, you need that $7 Starbucks because of the flavor? Please, you're paying for a liquid lobotomy just to survive the 9 a.m. meeting.
And then there's the lifestyle inflation monster, debt, 99%. When you make $70K, you think you need a $70K lifestyle. You buy the trendy gym membership you never use and the organic groceries that rot in your fridge. The system loves this. It doesn't need to chain you to a desk if it can chain you to a car payment.
So, how do we fix this? Stop chasing the salary and start chasing the margin. A person making $50K working from home in their pajamas is often richer than a $100K lawyer in a Gucci suit. Pajamas have a 100% profit margin. Start auditing your life. This is why I use brand name. It's not just about math, it's about seeing the data. When you see that your job is actually paying you $11 an hour after expenses, you stop asking for a raise and start asking for a remote workday.
Money is renewable. Your Tuesday at 3 p.m. is not. If you're trading 60 hours of your life for a profit of $200, you're not an employee. You're a volunteer for a company that would replace you in 48 hours if you dropped dead. Revenue is for vanity. Profit is for sanity. Subscribe if you want to keep your sanity. Drop a comment. What's the most expensive thing your job makes you buy?